rolling during your minute. You just said you're going to be a baby about it and sit here and prep yourself. Just eat the pepper.
Oh, just eat the pepper, she says.
Doctor still says he'll help you.
Yeah, he shouldn't.
Oh, you ate the whole thing. Not going to snack. Cute dog. We're gonna do a quick pan to our cute dog. Okay. Nope, you're dying. Oh God. Don't throw up on the nuke. Like, go over to the other half of the basement. Oh God. Mm-mm. Oh God. Mm-mm. Nope. Titan's very concerned.
Oh my God, why?
Okay. Are you done?
Upstairs. Get milk.
Oh, okay. Can I stop rolling now?
Yeah.
Close up.
No.
Close up.
No.
I'm gonna come to you then. Coming to you.
You're dragging the cord.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Oh, you're going in. You can't go in the bathroom. How am I supposed to get? Don't. No, you're getting close-ups.
Oh my God.
You're dying.
Yeah, a little bit.
I thought you were gonna drink alcohol. You did not.
No.
I don't think that would save you at this point.
No, I went for milk. When I drank a bunch of milk, now my stomach hurts. For lots of reasons.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Not doing a very good job at cameraman.
Oh my God. Right.
Can you tell me again why we decided to do this?
Someone's a bastard. Oh God, it's like some of my teeth.
Mmm.
Oh.
At least you're doing this now and not a few days before the wedding. That actually is going to happen this time.
Right. Okay. Fuck. Me running. That was something else.
Yep. You had a bad time.
Yeah.
You could go get some out of the freezer and have a follow-up.
Why would I ever do that?
I don't know. You did 2 last time. Now here you are. You have 1 pepper and you're dying.
Yeah, what the fuck? No one should eat those. That is poison.
Right. They make good lava sauce.
Not these ones.
No.
Those are habaneros.
I thought you put habaneros in your lava sauce.
Yes, this was a ghost pepper.
Oh, that's right. I thought the ghost peppers were red.
They are red.
Oh, I thought that was orange.
Looks reddish.
That was like spicy tea orange.
Yeah, I really don't want to lick my hands right now, but... Oh, me, to the bathroom, so the dog can...
Oh. Okay. I was sitting. Now I have to get up.
What?
They followed you.
Yeah.
Oh, Raptor did. How long do we have to video this? What?
I don't know. They all did that for like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Cut it.
We're at like 6 minutes of you dying.
Yeah, and there was like the 30 seconds in between when I ran upstairs.
Right. That was like 2 minutes that I missed of you drinking milk.
You did, yeah. Somehow, though, I didn't throw up. And it was real touch and go there for a minute.
Yeah, it was yeah. Yep.
Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Well, it's pretty much done now. So,
You said that a few minutes ago.
said it like 30 seconds ago. Fuck that. Fuck that forever. Oh, good luck, Jared.
Okay.
Turn it off.